Love? Love is beautiful. Love is meaningful. It is the warmth of a touch, the laughter shared under the shade of the moon, the promise of forever whispered under the sun. It gives life meaning, fills your days with joy, and makes you feel whole. But what happens when love leaves, when love fades, when the promises are broken, and the one you hold closest to your heart is no longer there? This is my story. Story of love, choices, and regrets. The story of Amado and me.
Oh, it's Dina. Oh, it's Dina. How are you? I'm fine. Look, you're so tall now. Really? Haven't Like, how are you? I'm fine. Look, here's my little one. Oh, he's a cute boy. Oh, by the way, Ma, Tinang is here. Ma, Tinang is here. Oh, Tinang. Fine, Sila. Is this your baby, Lucy? Is it a boy or girl? Oh, he's a big ears too. Of course. What do you expect? The father is Bagobo. Even Tina, she looks like a Bagobo too now. Oh, here's your baby, Tina. Yeah, but it seems like Tina, you have a big ears too. Ha 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 ha. Oh, Ma, wait. I have something to finish. Let me leave you here. Yeah, go ahead. Come on, let's see. Krishna. Do you think it's a good thing to be married?
It's hard, Senora. Very hard. I think it's better and easier to work here again.
There! As I told you, married life will make you slave to your husband. And you will become a mother forever. Don't tell me you're pregnant again.
It's embarrassing to admit, but yes, I do, Senora.
Well, it will not surprise me if you come back here with a dozen of child.
Oh, by the way, Senora, how is Senor?
Oh my, he's always losing a temper over trucker driver. Amado was so different with the new. But you know what? I'm still wondering, where is Amado right now? Do you have any idea where he is?
I don't have Senora. I'm sorry.
He said he will be gone for a couple of days. Oh wait, I forgot to tell you. I have something to give to you. Just wait a minute. Here,
Thank you so much, Senora.
it's my old clothes. It's still in a good condition. Oh my gosh, what will you do? Oh my, he's crying. Maybe he's hungry. Ate!
Yes, Senora.
Can you make a milk for the baby?
Oh, no, Senora. Please excuse me. Ate, don't bother. I can do it by myself. You know, I can see myself to you way back before. And I used to do your work. They're good amos, right?
Yes, indeed. They are so generous and kind. I wonder, where did you live?
Tinang? Tinang!
Oh, excuse me.
Oh, wait! Here's the milk.
No. It's breastfeed. Yes, Senora. I just need to go. You can stay here if you want. Oh, no, Senora. I was about to leave. Actually, the reason why I went here is just because I want to ask you to be a madrina for my bagitos. Of course, you're a family. You are part of the family, Tina. I'm willing to be a nina of this bagobito. By the way, I'll provide these baptismal clothes and any other things. Thank you so much, Senora. No worries, Tina. Thank you again, but I think it's time for us to go. Okay, sure. Don't forget the clothes that I gave to you. Yes, Senora. By the way, I have to go. Okay, Senora. Oh, by the way, I forgot. Someone sent you a letter. You should stop at the drugstore. I supposed to read it, but I thought you will be coming. Okay, thank you again, Senora. I have to go.
Bye, Tinang! See you soon! Don't forget the young corn!
Yes, Tito. See you next time. Be good to Senor and Senora.
I went to the drugstore as Senora told me to do. I am wondering who gave me a letter. Maybe it's my sister. But my sister? Why? Is something bad happen? As I asked the person in the drugstore, Senora was right. I have a letter. Letter for Constantino Tirol. And it's me. I thought, it's from my sister, but it's from Amado. Then, I immediately find a place to read a letter.
My dearest Dinam, hello. How is life getting along? Are you still in good condition? As for myself, the same as usual. But you're far from my side. It is not easy to be far from our lover. Dinam, do you still love me? I hope your kind and generous heart will never fade. Someday, or somehow, I'll be there again to fulfill our promise. Many weeks and months have elapsed. Still, I remember our bygone days, especially when I was suffering with the heat of the tractor under the heat of the sun. I was always in despair until I imagined your personal appearance coming forward bearing the sweetest smile that enabled me to view the distant horizon. Dinam, I could not return because I found that my mother was very ill. That is why I was not able to take you as a partner of life. Please respond to my missive at once so that I know whether you still love me or not. I hope you did not love anybody except myself, my mother. Unfortunately, she died last month. I think I'm going beyond the limit of your leisure hours, so I close with the best wishes to you. Yours forever, Amado.
Amado really loved me. I'm sorry, Amado, my love. I can't fulfill our promise. I couldn't wait for you.
Oh, gabi ito saan? Ave Maria Santissima, please, Lord.
And up! Alas! Go. Harutan lang. Go. Tanggal, bulaga. 3, 2, alas. 3, 2, Tinang! Ngite.
Yes, I will, Tito.
And don't forget to bring some yan corn.
Ano, someone sent you a letter. Oh, I forgot. Someone sent you a letter. Stop.
To smoke.